model, 2017 Volkswagen Transporter 2.0 TDI automatic engine knocking needs repair 9-seater minibus Euro 6 No Vat. Body, black, minibus. Mileage, 85,804. MOT, the 30th of June 2026. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 150 psi. Transmission, front-wheel drive automatic. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seating area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest minibus which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, aircon, parking sensors, electric windows, alloy wheels, cruise control, sat-nav, 2 keys, minibus. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £17,595 plus VAT.